Good evening, guys. In this video we are going to talk about the Discord audio that maybe you can have problem with. Sometime when you connect the mic, maybe it's not working, or maybe you cannot hear someone's live stream. The problem can be if you have multiple devices connected, so the Discord can pick up the random device. It can pick up the mic from your webcam rather than using the actual microphone, or it can use the monitor audio, or vice versa. So to fix it, all you need to do is, when you are in the call, so you have to go to the settings, which is going to be here, right here. You click on it, then from here you can check the mic. Okay, and then one more thing is you have to choose this option, voice activity. At the default, most of the time it's selected push to talk, so you have to change it to voice activation. And then you can go to the output devices, and then you have to select which speakers that you want to use. And then once you select the proper speaker that you're using, or your headphone, and then you should not have this problem anymore. So first thing, click on the settings. Okay, click on the settings, choose your microphone, choose your speakers, and choose this option, voice activity, and you will be good to go.